This year we have, I believe, we have more than 50% increase of submission compared to last year, and there were, I mean, among the various topics, I can say fiber devices, optical sensors, metamaterials, and optical communication. We have very even distribution, and also, but there are many. Optics and computation tend to go hand in hand, so there is a bottleneck in the processing speed of electronics, and to overcome that bottleneck, we might have to use the powers of optics, a lot of parallelism. One area that has attracted a lot of attention, I mean, this is not the first year, is the metamaterials that will enable us to process signals with the photons, but at a sub-micron scale that is consistent with the electronics industry. So that is a trend that has been continuing. This year there have been many papers on cloaking, and also there are some interesting papers on even amplification using metamaterials. So those are the new areas I think are being, those are the new areas that I see the papers starts to actually getting submitted. I'm most excited about the continual increase in the ability to control lights in many ways. So one way, there are a lot of advancements in controlling lights in a sub-wavelength scale, which has generated a lot of good applications, such as high-resolution imaging and also the cloaking that I mentioned. But the other area is to fully exploit the optical phase in communication. So we have progressed quite a bit from simple signal formats, sending just pulses, turning on and off. We're now using very sophisticated optical modulation formats, and those types of advancements involve new device physics, but also signal processing, advanced signal processing. There are many interesting inviting talks. We have special sessions on optical sensors, and we have a lot of great invited speakers for optical communications, and also silicon photonics, which I forgot to mention, that is another candidate for merging photonics with electronics. So we have great speakers there. And also in metamaterials, we have, I believe, 7 or 8 invited speakers. And actually, I am very pleased to say we have Dr. Veselago from Russia. He is one of the originator of the ideas with Sir Pendry in the UK. So I'm very excited about it.